So can we take a breath and just breathe into a time of meditation together? On behalf of all beings, on behalf of everyone in our spiritual community, on behalf of women, families, men, individuals that identify beyond those spectrums, humanity, our young ones, our planet. Can we breathe into this moment of meditation? I see you. I hear you. Your voice matters to me. I see you. I hear you. Your voice matters to me. I see, I hear, I matter. I see, I hear, I matter. Grounded in this space, I speak. It is safe to listen. It is safe to speak. It is safe to tune into my intuition. It is safe to trust. Inhaling and exhaling. We breathe into this blessing. May your presence remind people that God is real. May you be evidence to someone else that God exists. Not because you're talking about source or preaching about God or sharing about spirit, but because people feel God as the effect of being loved, seen, and supported by you. May your very presence remind someone they belong. May your very presence be evidence for others that it is safe to grow, to expand, to be free. Because of you, may someone say, there has to be God. May we look upon the presence of Spirit within us and among us. May we help each other be the goodness and the godness we seek in this world. May all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. And so it is. Namaste.